Hi guys, so in this section we'll learn about operator, JavaScript operator, and we will discuss arithmetic and assignment operator and their precedence. Okay, so here we declare one variable called number one and assigning one value to this. Okay, so this is nothing but we are assigning the assignment operator will assign anything is right side to left side. Similarly, we discuss we have created another variable number 2 and then we are declaring these two variable and then we are doing adding. Okay, and then we are just writing to document them. So this is this way we do this addition operation. So let's run this program once. See, this output is 5, so 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll this addition operation we can do in this way also. This is called compound operator. So plus equal to plus and equal to. So what will do, it will do addition and then is assigned to number 1. So first these two number will be add and then assigned to number 1. So we'll see the output of this. So the both are same only, but you have to type less. Okay, so output will be same only. So just run this program once. See, this output is 5. Now next thing is incremental operator. So this plus plus will increment number 1 variable by 1. So is right now is 1. So when you do incremental, it will be 1. Okay, just we'll run one more time this. So it become 2 after, see, output is 2. Similar way there's a decremental. So I'll comment this line. So number is 1 only and we decrement. So this is a decrement operator, minus minus, and when you run it should become 0. So run this program. See, it's become 0. Okay, now next important thing is operator precedence. Okay, so in precedent, like always division and multiplication take precedence over the add and subtraction. So here in this operation, first multiplication will happen, then it will add to this. So 3 into 5 is 15 plus 4 19. Okay, and when multiplication and division are coming together, then which appearing first, it will take a precedence. Okay, so the output should be 19. So let's run this program. See, output is 19. So this is the operator precedent. Thank you.